Okay, a little bit of a late night weather stripping adventure. I got this Frost King Home Auto Marine weather stripping from Home Depot. It actually is very sticky, and I went ahead and weather stripped my tailgate, and then I did it right below the radius of the bed. If you can see where this bend is, right below that radius is where I started sticking it. And then I cut it at a bit of an angle to hit that bumper. That's Daxie Boy barking in the background. And so, yeah, that works pretty well. And then when I do the light bleeding test, I can see a couple of places where it's bleeding through. The tailgate closes very nicely, but you can see I'm putting the light behind it. Then as I go down, there's no light until you get to the bottom here. You can see a little bit of light coming in through the bottom. And that's right in this area here. I'll have to build that out. So there's a little bit of a gap here and here, but all along the bottom, the tailgate closes really nicely. And that weather stripping really does a really nice job, and it sticks really well. And this is the tailgate closing test. It doesn't bind. The weather stripping is actually pretty good. And we're going to call it a night.